Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson here on the channel. Today we're going to be covering how I sell $12,000 per month on Amazon with just two products, a little bit of a motivation Friday. And we're also going to be opening up some samples so we can figure out how to make $20,000 per month in sales on Amazon. That sounds like something you'd be interested in watching. Be sure to stick around to the end, and if you happen to be new, be sure to like and subscribe. But without further ado, let's jump right into it. So really quick, before we get to the samples, which I'm sure you're all excited to see, new products that I'll be launching, we are going to just go over what I sell currently. I do like to be nice and transparent, radically open-minded. It's the principles that fuel this channel. So here's the two products that I sell. If you know me, you'll know these well. They're all over my channel. If you don't, welcome, happy to have you. So here's my first product. It's a macrame shelf, $50 product, a little over 30% margin. Well over that, actually 35 to 40% margin, depending on where I'm pricing. I'll bounce between 50 to 55. This product in the last 30 days has done almost $6,000 in sales. I've been selling this since January. 5 of those days were out of stock. Several of those days were spent getting back into ranking. You can see I've gone out of stock a few times with this product. Basically every time I've reordered, I've gone out of stock. It's a pretty expensive product to keep in stock, but it sells like crazy. And it's a great product. Next product that we have here is the picture hanging toolkit. Now this product I just launched in the beginning of June. It's been selling for about 1 month now. I'm already selling about $6,000 per month worth of this product. A little over actually 6,500 or something. I could share some screenshots now. It kind of looks like garbage when I put it on the camera right here. So I'll just pop them up on the screen. They're going to be somewhere on the screen right now. I'll show you yesterday's sales. Awesome, almost $900 day. And then today, just to show you the actual current up-to-date one, I'll put a little recording and refreshing that here. It's about 11.9 thousand, right near 12. So by the end of today, I'll be over 12 again. So that's it. I just sell these two products on Amazon and I hit over $12,000 in sales. Ranges anywhere between, if I'm launching new products and spending more on ads, more on inventory, maybe about slightly over $100 a day. If I'm really just kicking back and just letting these go organically, it could be anywhere about $200 a day in profit, which is phenomenal. If you live a humble lifestyle and reinvest in your business, that's more than enough. And right now I'm in the process of trying to take myself from $100 to $200 a day to $500 to $1,000 a day in profit on Amazon. So that's really what this channel is all about. Sure to stick around, subscribe if you that sounds like something you enjoy watching the journey of. Come out with new videos every Monday through Friday. But let's get into the samples. I want to have some fun today, and let's do this. I'll zoom out a little bit, and we will open some samples. So we have this box, which I just got in the mail. Let's do this. I know this is like kind of unprofessional, but hey, it's unprofessional Fridays, I guess. Adjusting the camera while I'm talking. Okay, so we have two samples here. As you can see, you're probably like, what is that, a mop? It's a black mop. That's not what the product is. So we have two products here, and these are two products I plan on scaling my brand. I've actually already talked to my supplier last night, and I take action quick, man. I like taking action. As soon as I got the samples that night, we started some invoices for them. They're in production today. So let's pull these out. We'll pull out the first one. There's actually two things in this box, believe it or not. I was like, hey, I ordered two samples. Why did I only get one box? They shoved it in this. There we go. We got it. Okay, so this is the first one. This is not the packaging that it's going to come in. There's also going to be a 2-pack of these, but this was just how I got the sample. It'll be in a box, customized with my brand and pictures on it. Very high quality packaging. Building a home decor brand right now. That's why I'm doing like these shelves and stuff. Not to kind of spoiler alert, but this is another type of shelf. What in the world? Is that like a bloopers? Hang on, I gotta fix this. I think I just... Okay, we got it. That was one of the more ironic things that's ever happened. I like dropped a piece of it. But yeah, so this is the product. Okay, so it's another macrame hanging shelf. As you can see from the listing we just went over, it's very similar. You won't be able to tell by just looking at it, but it is a different design. And the one I sell now is a 2-tier, and it's bigger both in dimensions this way and, of course, length. So this is one of the products I'm going to be doing. The inspiration for this product was that I found that a lot of just normal hanging shelves in the normal hanging shelf market, not macrame, are selling incredibly well just in these 1-tier smaller versions, and they're doing really well in 2-packs. Okay, so what I've done is I'm going to be launching a lower ticket item. This is gonna be about 30 bucks and it's gonna be a 2-pack. So not concrete on the pricing yet, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'm just scaling my brand, right? I found something that's working. I found a market where I'm getting a majority of the sales and I'm profiting really nicely. So instead of trying to find another product in a totally new market, just relaunch a similar product of yours, new listing, capitalizing on a different area of the market. So let's get into the other sample here. So this one is a black version of what I sell right now with different wood. So this is really cool. I really like this. My girlfriend and I both like this. She helps me with vetting ideas, and especially since it's home decor, I think she has a better sense of that stuff than me. So I'm like, hey, but is this good? Turns out this one is. If you've seen my channel before, you know that I've been selling the normal white macrame shelf for a long time. So this might be cool for you to see. So it's gonna be really, I'm gonna have to go like way back here, to even see it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's what I sell now, but it's in black. I'm just kidding. I'm just screaming because I'm far away. So yeah, a little bit of a new wood. We kept it pretty similar to the original design. It's actually the same exact pattern, but it's just in black, and I really like this. I'm really excited for this. I'm not going to be doing it as a variation. I'm going to be doing it as an entirely new listing, because I want to take up more of that real estate on page 1. Right? I want to really dominate the page. I want to own 5 out of the top 10 listings. So that's what we're working on now. We have 2 new products that I'm working on currently. I'm definitely ordering the black one. We're still working out whether I'm going to do a 2-pack or 1-pack of that smaller one, but I think I'll definitely be launching that. As of right now, black one's in production. The other one, I think I said it was in production. It's actually, I'm still working on it now that I think about it. I haven't actually placed an order for it, but we are working on that. I just placed I placed a reorder for the other white one. That's what it was. But that's enough of me talking for one day. Probably getting sick of it already. So thanks so much for sticking around for this video. That's what I do on Amazon, what I'm doing on Amazon in the future and currently. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you like this video and you want to see more like this, more transparent videos about how I actually sell on Amazon, what it's really like to be an Amazon seller. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you after the weekend. It's Friday. Have a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday for another video here on the channel. Thanks so much. Later.